In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your design to life with music, from importing a song to trimming it, previewing the result, and exporting your file so it sounds just the way you want. Start by opening your Canva design. This can be an image-based project or a video. If your design has multiple pages or scenes, keep in mind that audio plays along the timeline from the point you place it, so it helps to think about where you want the music to begin before you add it. Next, head over to the Uploads tab on the left, then click Upload Media. Choose the song file from your computer. Common formats like MP3 and WAV work well. Larger files may take a moment to process, so give Canva a second to finish uploading. Also, make sure you have the right to use the music you're adding, especially if you plan to publish or share your design. Once the upload completes, you'll see the track in your Uploads library. Click and drag the song onto your design timeline or directly onto the canvas. Canva automatically places the audio as a track beneath your design. If you're working on a video, the audio will sit under your clips. If you're using a static image, the audio will still attach to the project, so you can export it as a video file with sound. Now refine the timing. Use the timeline handles at the start and end of the audio track to trim the song to the exact portion you want. You can click and drag the ends inward to shorten it, or reposition the entire track so it starts later in the design. If your song is longer than your project, trimming ensures it ends cleanly with your visuals. If your project runs longer than the music, align the track to cover the most important moments. When you're happy with the timing, click Play to preview. Watch through your design and listen for smooth pacing, checking where the music begins and ends. If something feels off, pause, nudge the track left or right, or fine-tune the handles to tighten the edit. Finally, when everything looks and sounds right, click Download. Choose a format that supports audio. MP4 is a reliable option. Then export your design. Your finished file will now include the music exactly as you arranged it. That's all there is to it. Open your design, upload your song, drag it in, trim with the timeline handles, preview and download. Simple, clean, and ready to share.